Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. In this video, we will discuss about Boolean types in Python. Boolean type is one of the built-in data types provided by Python, which represents two values, that is true and false. Generally, this type of values are used to manage the control flow of a code or a program. So let's discuss about this very simple and very important data type in Python. So in this video, we will declare a variable with the Boolean data types and see how it works with the variables only. We will see a vast use of this Boolean type in the later videos in this series. In this video, I will try to explain in a very simple way possible. So let's begin. First, we will declare both the types of variable. Here you can see we have two variables, true type and false type, and we have assigned this true and false to this variable. Now this true and this false are the keyword which represents both the type of Boolean values. Let's print both the variables. As you can see, we have got true for the true type and false for the false type as defined in this code. Now let's see type of these variables. With this type check, we can now confirm that both the variables are holding a Boolean type. If we start this true with a small letter or lowercase number instead of this uppercase T, we will get error. And the same for this false as well. That is because Python understands true with the capital T and false with the capital F only. Let's see this with the code. As expected, we have got the error, that is name true is not defined. So this needs to be taken care of. Now let's try with operators. In this data variable, what I will do is I will compare two numbers with a greater than operator. Here I have compared this two number 50 and 20 with this greater than symbol. If you read this expression 50 greater than 20 and as 50 is greater than 20, this expression should return a true value. Now let's find the type of this data. Here you can see we have got this bool type. So we can use expressions to get a Boolean type as well. This is it for this video, and in the next video I will discuss operators in Python.